What's up guys, welcome to Bombay Boy Who Pedals, and today we are going to be looking at the second race in our racing series that we started like a video ago. And today we are going to be racing the 3-hour Greater London 8 Hilly Route race. So we're about 10 seconds from the start and 5 seconds in, getting the power up. 3, 2, 1, boom! And straight, like I mentioned in the last video, स्टार्ट होने से लिटरली 30 सेकेंड्स तक अगर आपने 450 to 500 वॉट्स, ये एक्चुअली उस साइड से ए और बी आए और हम लोग सी और डी ग्रुप मिले बीच में. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द पेलेटन मिक्स्ड. सो हियर यू सी एवरीबडी फ्रॉम लाइक 5+ watts a kilo to like 1 to 2 watts a kilo. So anyways, like I was saying, for the first 30 seconds you have, the race starts in Zwift are so hard, you have to maintain 450 to 500 watts, वरना आपको इनिशियल निकलने वाले बंच में भी आप लोग ड्रॉप हो जाओगे. यू विल गेट ड्रॉप विद इन द फर्स्ट 20 seconds ऑफ द रेस. इतना डिफिकल्ट स्टार्ट होता है Zwift में. सो लेट्स जस्ट सी. अभी आगे दोनों बंच मिक्स हो गए हैं. सो द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल अहेड ऑफ मी आर ऑल ए बी, बीच में थोड़े सी होंगे, और मेरे पीछे डी वाले लोग हैं. एंड यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ अदर पीपल आल्सो जस्ट गोइंग पास्ट. यहाँ थोड़ा वॉटेज ड्रॉप हुआ. आई थिंक मैं ड्राफ्ट में बैठा हुआ हूँ. Again 300, 400. Now one more thing, I don't know how short this video will be. I'll try to make it as short as possible, but this was a kick-ass race, so let's just see. Could be a long video, I don't know. 300 watts. It's been only a minute and average power is above 270, 280 for sure. In fact, it'll be close to 300. So you guys see, this was a proper race. It was a 23 kilometer 1 lap race, and it did have like 200-300 meters of climbing. And also the number of people in the race was quite a lot. I think we had like 80-90 people racing. So the depth of the competition was pretty okay. Here I'm trying to like close the gap. Where is Magnus? It's Magnus. He's just pulling away. People are so powerful in Zwift, so powerful. Literally, like this is like it's a gift. Zwift is a gift because you come so close and you come like literally face to face with some of the best athletes in the world, and so it's incredible how powerful they are. So now I think I should close the gap. Now I'll put in a big effort. Now you'll see how much power it takes just to close the gap. Okay, there you go. 300, 400, 500, 600 watts I put out, and that's what it takes to close like a small, I don't even know, like for 1 second bhi nahi hoga. I think 1 second gap. 400 to 600 watts for 10 seconds almost, just to close a 1 second gap. That's how difficult Zwift is. As you guys can see, power straight up 300, 280, 270, 300, 280, 270, 300 is just madness. ये अभी मैंने एक बंच पकड़ा हुआ है. So I'm trying to like, you know, stick around, not waste. And one thing I played it smart during this race was I didn't unnecessarily sit ahead. Even if I pulled, it was only to maybe close gaps in the groups, and I would sit behind in a group. Then after a point where maybe अगर सामने कोई group मेरे को दिख रहा था, so I would sit behind and then maybe put a hard effort, catch the group, then sit behind in that group. Then basically that was the strategy. I think I did it a couple of times in this race. Let's find out. Yeah, I think I just did it right now. I pulled again 340. I'm pulling, trying to close the gap on that group, but I don't think हो रहा था. They were just going away from me. कई बार क्या होता है, once you put in an effort ना, people behind you also then later come in, and so even if the gap is 10 seconds and you close 4 seconds ना, somebody from behind you will come and try to close that gap. यहाँ तो पूरी palette नहीं आ गई, so this is not a very good example, but still it usually happens. So every time you want to close a gap and you're in front of the group, try and close at least a few seconds out of it, and others might just join in and help you to close the other chunk that's left. Whew. God damn it, 300 watts. It's been 4 minutes and oh my god, it's good power. इस रेस में काफ़ी अच्छी पावर निकाली मैंने. Okay, I think we should fast forward a little bit right now to where I jump groups and stuff. Okay, so now what is happening is दो groups ना थोड़ी gap पे साथ में चल रहे हैं. We've come a little forward. We are like around 8 minutes into the race, and here Like this guy, I just got dropped out of my original group, and this guy's got sticking behind me. And you see, I again put down a lot of power just to catch up to them. I was putting on 400 watts for a little while. I'm still at 300. And you see how slowly the gap is getting covered. It's hard, man, the way the gaps are close. See, now ये group मैंने join कर लिया. And it's just been 6.3 kilometers, 8 close to 9 minutes. So this is, I joined the group, and immediately the moment you become a part of the block or the peloton, when you're sitting behind someone, the average wattage really goes down because you don't have to work as hard. So it's really necessary. If you get me, it's necessary to use that strategy if you want to perform well in Zwift. Because nobody, even if you're the best time trialist in the world, you can't just go out and go completely mad and think about even a good position, let alone podium. So it's all about the learning curve here, I think, and the learning curve in Zwift is much longer than I expected. So I'm comfortably sticking behind this group, but I think we should make a move sometime now. I think I'll either make it or I'll fail, or something will happen right now. I think we'll make some moves now. See, there's a group in front of me and there's a group right in front of them. So 3 groups, एक 2 सेकंड की गैप के बाद चल रहे हैं. It's pretty cool. Sorry, 4 सेकंड का ही गैप है उस ग्रुप और हमारे बीच में. Okay, so finally now I think the moves coming. These were the turns. And you'll see how I'll just go up and try to close the gap on that group finally, and boom, 400 watts, 500 watts, 600 watts, and nothing is happening. नहीं close हो रही है, but बहुत धीरे close हो रही है. It's too painful. 400, 500. Oh my god, just watching it is so difficult. So trust me, doing it is just as difficult. It's horrendous. ये लोग पीछे बैठ के आ गए, come, please come. It's very interesting. So एक group पे तो gap close हुई. Position goes up 63. 4, 5, 6, 7. अब ये सब group दोनों merge हो गए. I just hope they don't spit me out from the back now. This guy with white hair over there, man. What the hell? Interesting. It's a very interesting part in the race is going to come. It's going to unfold when the climbs come in. So make sure you stick around for that. Anyways, moving forward again. So the race has pretty much been together since the last time we closed the gap. So kuch hua nahi, it wasn't very eventful. But now things are going to start getting hard and interesting, because bam, that red line marks the start of the climb. I think we are at Box Hill in Surrey Hills, the area Surrey Hills, the route Surrey Hills in Zwift. I think it's in London. I think it's definitely in London. And now you'll try to see all the climbers just walk away, all the people sprinters just fall back, and all the all-rounders, beach ka types like me, just struggle somewhere and hang in the middle. So the race is pretty much split up completely over here. So now you're seeing like riders just ride away from us. धीरे जो strong है वो आगे निकल रहा है. Climb आ गई है. कितना gradient है? I think कम से कम 4 या 5% तो gradient था. 5 या 6% है यहाँ पे gradient. I can't see actually because इस साला मैंने full window mode पे record नहीं किया. But oh my god, things get so difficult over here. Here is my arch enemy of this race, this guy in the black jersey in front of me. पूरी रेस मेरी इसके साथ ही थी. अब इसके बाद there was nobody else. You know how you're not obviously gunning for the podium or anything, and you just catch the next guy in front of you who's sort of like riding at the limit you are, and it's just like between you two. That's what happened over here. So this guy whose name is Tsunoda. He's Japanese, so I'm getting his Tsunoda. So Mr. Tsunoda now falls back and is on my wheel. And let's move forward again to show you what exactly happened. So as you guys can see, he's still on my wheel. and he's still sitting there, and I know this. And I'm like, ठीक है, चलो, keep going. I was looking at the guy in front of me, thinking कि maybe okay, बैठने दो, मैं आगे वाले को पकड़ता हूँ. But problem क्या थी, आगे वाला काफी strong था, and on the same time, Mr. Sunoda thought कि I think I should drop this Bombay boy who pedals dude, wherever he's from, India or wherever. I think I should just drop him and move. And I was like, no Sunoda, Mr. Sunoda, I'm not gonna let you do that. So I was like, तू मेरे wheel पे बैठा, अब मैं तेरे wheel पे बैठूंगा. So that's what I did. I sat on his wheel. For a while, then I crossed over आगे. Now he's on my wheel. So ये चुगलबंदी ना हमारी continuously रेस में चली रही थी, काफी टाइम तक चल रही थी. I'm really trying hard to catch that guy in the white jersey, but wattage ही बहुत फर्क है. वो 3.5 continuously निकाल रहा था. But I was like, you know, 3.5, then come back to 2.9. 3.5, come back to 2.9. So he was consistently wattage ज़्यादा उसकी अच्छी थी. Now if you notice, on your right, you'll see Bombay boy who pedals is highlighted in blue, and the guy under me is this guy in the black jersey. How similar our wattages are, you know, that's why we are like sort of sticking together. So that pretty much explains how when I said wattage is everything is power to weight, and watt per kilo makes another move, but not really going anywhere. So let's just forward again. So we finally made it up the climb. It's been 32 minutes 20 seconds, and climb ke upar gaye. You get a nice spanned out shot of us passing by. It's pretty cool. And now starts the downhill. So now one thing I didn't know is that if the downhill gradient is more than 5%, you really don't need to spin. If you stop spinning, your avatar in the game aero tucks, and he goes automatically faster. So if the gradient is 5 or more than 5% negative while going down, don't pedal. Conserve your energy. It makes no sense. I didn't do that. You can see like I'm putting out 215 watts while going down, which I could very well have saved. Although this wasn't a very high negative gradient climb, which wasn't very long. So like right now we went up the gradient again. The gradient became positive again. But like I'm saying, if suppose you're going down, I'll just Zwift. When you start going down, don't pedal. It makes no benefit. So now we are inching towards the end of the race. It's 19.6 kilometers. It's a 4.9 kilometers left. You can see it on the screen. And I think Mr. Sunoda has had it with me. He wanted to drop me, but obviously I was not going to let that happen. Don't put out 250 watts while going down. You can just spin into it. Anyways, ठीक है यार, पकड़ना था. It was you know, when you're racing like this and you're in these moments, you just take decisions and roll with them. So let's move a little forward now. Again to the interesting bit. Or actually, you know what? Let's just enjoy the race now. High watts are going down, even downhill. High watts. Because this was do or die. I was trying to stretch the rubber band to get his rubber band, break his rubber band, and he was stretching his rubber band to break my rubber band. So this was a race. Like the last race I remember, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. End में एक बंदा जिसको cramps आए तो वो मुझे मिला था. But this was proper. This was like equally matched. We were equally matched, and both of us were like, you know, at it. We both were like chasing each other down. So this is very interesting. 3.1 kilometers left. I think very soon now I will realize that I don't need to do this, and I'll just sit back and sit behind him till the sprint. So till now I was still thinking, okay, maybe I can drop him before the finish line, or like way before the finish. But that really didn't happen, and I was like losing a lot of energy putting down this kind of power. It just wasn't working out. So I was like, you know what, there's 2.3 kilometers left to the finish. Bro, hold back. don't really don't make any moves now. Now leave everything for the end. So I think that's what I did. So this is we're actually in the subway, in the tubes right now, in the subway in London, and these wooden boards have been laid out so that the tracks cannot be seen and the bikes can be ridden. It's pretty interesting. As you can see the train over there. So you come out, you take a left, and this is damn funny. So this is literally a short climb, very high gradient short climb. I think it is 10+%. So this climb, I would suggest go into a low, stay in the same chainring in the front, but go into a low or high gear and just power through it, stand and power through these climbs, because that way it's quicker. Otherwise, there's high chance of getting dropped. Because low, but that's what people do. They don't like really for a short climb slow go down to lower gears. High gear में वो लोग power करके निकल जाते हैं. So that short climbs like those, you should definitely do that. 1.4 kilometers left. Now you'll see, like, I'm sitting behind him. I'm like, not making a move. This bitch is going to the line. This bitch is going to the line. So let's see how the race ends. See, I did pass him a little bit, but I immediately, I was like, sit back. Like, I almost came down to 140 watts. Sitting behind. Come on, man. 1 kilometer to go. 1 freaking kilometer to go. Alright. Whew. Yeah, one thing that's really pissing me off is that Zwift keeps dropping my HRM continuously. I think it's some locha with the number of devices, Bluetooth devices connected to your computer, but there is some issue, man. Zwift, please, if you're listening, sort this issue. And I've looked up online, it's not just with my Majin HRM, Bahu, Garmin, all HRMs, Polar as well have this problem. So I think it's a common issue that many people face. Please solve it. Anyways, 6 freaking 100 meters to go. Here I took the lead a little bit, but I knew he would come past again. Mm-hmm. 316 watts, 400 meters. Okay, so in real life, not that I have a huge amount of experience, but in real life, you usually don't start a sprint like 3 or 200 meters from the line. Between 300 to 200 meters from the line, you usually start a sprint. That's if you're a good sprinter. But in Zwift, personally, and even while watching pro races, I've noticed, don't do shit. Just hold the wheel, but don't make a move till 100 meters. Now you'll see. 300, bam! The watts go down. 800, 855, 868. Enough. Boom! Took Mr. Tsunoda down. So I came 59th overall out of a lot of people. I think अभी तो ये तो जब तक खत्म हो रहे लोग उतना दिखाया. So I think overall in my category I came 4th in this race, and it's the best result I've ever had. And this only being my second or third race, I don't think it's bad enough at all. One more good thing that you guys will notice now is should be on the screen. Bam! I had a FTP increase during the race. Isn't that cool? I went from 251 to 268 watts in less than 1 month, which is pretty good. But then this is the power I think even above this. I think I was around 290, 300 watt is supposedly what I should have been in. I didn't have a power meter then, but that could have been my initial power when I was in good form last year. So I think this is just me getting back to it. So yeah, guys, that was the race. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are having a good time watching the content that's coming up on this channel. Also guys, अगर आपको सच्ची में कंटेंट यूजफुल लग रहा है और आपको वीडियोस देखने में मज़ा आ रहा है, तो प्लीज़ उन वीडियोस को आप शेयर करो, उनको लाइक करो, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड टेल एवरीबडी अराउंड यू हु माइट बी इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस कंटेंट, टेल देम अबाउट द चैनल. दैट वुड बी द बिगेस्ट हेल्प. सो एनीवेज, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.